Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Robinhood. So if you got a new email address and you want to update, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first method is to use the Robinhood app. So the first thing you want to do is to open the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Tap account icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap settings or the gear icon, and then scroll down to account section, tap email address and enter your new email address, then tap save. Now the second option is to use the Robinhood website. Now the first thing you want to do is to log on to your Robinhood account on the website. Click on your name or profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Click setting from the drop down menu, scroll down to account section, and then click email address, and then enter your new email address and click save. Now the verification process is quite simple. Robinhood is going to send you a verification email to your new email address. So what you want to do is to open that email address and click on the verification link, and your email address will be updated and you will receive a confirmation email. Now there are some important notices. The first is to ensure that you have access to your new email address before updating it on the app or website. Because if for whatever reason you lose access to your email address after changing that or prior to changing that, you're gonna have issues. So the second, of course, is if you're having trouble updating your email address, you can just contact Robinhood support, and they're gonna help you sort that out. And just for you to know, updating your email address is not going to affect your account settings or your investment, so you don't got to worry about that. That's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys found that useful. If you did, make sure to like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.